In this video, I want to talk about how beginners are making a lot of money with the Temu affiliate program. Now, if you search for Temu affiliate and you sign up to be an affiliate, what you'll be able to do is find these links right here. Now, if you send this link to someone and they sign up and order something, you can click on the details to read about how you get the money. But if someone uses your link and they sign up and they order something, you're going to get a commission as well as some money. So you can see here people are signing up all the time. And if you see, this guy earned 16 euros, which is almost $20. And you can see all of these people are making money, 2,300 euros. It's $2,500. And the way that you can do this as well is using social media. So what you want to be doing is getting your affiliate link by just signing up. And then you want to promote it on social media. Now you can do it on YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, anywhere you want, but I prefer these channels. So for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, this is going to be YouTube Shorts. What you want to do is head over to Linktree, create an account, and inside of Linktree, you're going to put your affiliate link, your Temu affiliate link. So Linktree is basically just a place where you can combine all of your links so it looks much easier. So go to Linktree, create an account, put your affiliate link inside of the Linktree, because on these platforms you cannot put your affiliate link in, so we want to post our Linktree link. Then on your YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram or TikTok, you want to put your Linktree link in your bio, so when people click on that, they're going to come over to your Linktree where your affiliate link to Temu is. Then you want to make content. So if you're on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, I would suggest that you do like unboxing videos. So it can be unboxing clothes or outfit reviews or stuff like this. And then obviously you're going to use the Temu clothes. Now for Pinterest, you're just going to find a lot of things on Temu that you like. Copy the picture, post it on Pinterest, and put your affiliate link in the link destination. That way, people, when they see it, they're going to click on the link, sign up, and you're going to get paid. So that is how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.